Hi, today we're gonna do something a little different, and this is the HP LaserJet P2015, and they make a P2014 also, but the P2015 is the most common one. And this is a duplexing network model, and we get a ton of these machines in, and you'll get the paper jam light and the toner light that comes on them. And some of the guys have tried baking the board. That's actually the formatter board. What we have is we have cold solder joints. The soldering is actually cracked, causing it not to make connections. But it was such a big problem, it plagued the industry. I've got 3 machines today that are all doing the same thing, and I'm going to kind of have a little fun with this. And I'm going to do 3 boards, and we're going to bake them and see what the result is. I think this is going to be kind of cool. Also, the HP LaserJet P3005 suffered from the same problem. What I like to do is start from the accessory, the connectivity side of the printer, and we're going to just remove the carcass cover, remove the little memory access cover, and then just pull off the side panel. Sometimes you have to take actually a flat blade to get in there and to kind of help the panel out of its socket, but it comes right out pretty easy. But this could be a really fun and something that might even save you some money, and that's kind of cool. So some of the guys have recommended baking these boards at 350 degrees for 5 minutes, and you know, it helps it out. We've always just replacing the board, but you know, on this model, this board is actually over $100, and that's quite expensive for just a small desktop printer. And so if this repair works successful, I think this is a great option for somebody to do this at home and you know, fix their own printer, and that's cool. So what you want to do is just remove the 4 screws that hold on the formatter board, remove your ribbon cable, be very careful. You got a couple little wiring harnesses, and just kind of remove them. So again, all you need is just a number 2 Phillips, and there you go, there's the board. And again, I'm going to do 3 boards just so we can kind of have more of a suitable test. I think this is kind of cool to do it this way. All 3 of these machines are doing the same thing, and this is really common. So on part 2 of this, we're going to do the baking, and then part 3 will be actually the final, what we did and how the results were. So pretty cool little test.